Good evening and welcome to Green Valley Television. I am Brittany Avery, the video production teacher. I am also one of the co-chief executive officers of Green Valley Television, or GVTV.
And I'm Matt Mahood. I'm the multimedia communications teacher and the other co-CEO of GVTV. A little bit about me. I attended school here in Clark County and graduated from Foothill High School in 2003. During my time as a student at Foothill, I created a video production program with my advisor. Foothill Student Television at Foothill is still running strong today and continues to be outstanding. After high school, I attended UNLV. I majored in communications and journalism and media studies. I also have a minor in tourism and convention, which was part of the hotel management program. While I was a student at UNLV, I worked at a newspaper and at Channel 3. I worked at Channel 3 for 7 years before moving on to a new station. I worked at Channel 13 for 3 years before joining the Clark County School District as a career and technical education teacher. However, considering the content we teach, we both find it very important to continue to work in the industry. As such, we're both what's called freelance at Channel 13. When they need us to fill in, they call us and we go into the station.
I graduated from Foothill High School in 2014. That is where I met Mahood. He was my video production teacher and taught me everything that I need to know about the television industry. I would not be where I am today without him. Right after high school, I was unsure of how to get started in TV, so Mahood advised me that I apply for internships, even though they usually only hire college juniors or seniors. That year, as a freshman in college, they somehow needed my help. I got hired as an intern at Channel 13 for a sales entertainment show called Las Vegas Morning Blend. I worked my way around the TV station for a couple of years while in college and was then hired as a studio tech in the production department and then eventually a producer for the Blend show. Also, during this time in college, the host from my Blend show trained me to be on air for the radio station he worked for, Mix 94.1. I then got a part-time on-air radio gig there. I worked weekend nights since I was still working at Channel 13 and going to college. I graduated from UNLV in 2017 with my bachelor's in journalism and media studies and a minor in communication. I bring my TV and radio experience to the classroom and get your student ready for those industries, but also the business world.
As a first year in our program, your student is an intern. Your student and our employee is expected to learn all the aspects of our program. They've just recently learned about jobs, including how to read job postings, how to fill out applications effectively, and they learned about job benefits such as paid time off and health insurance. The first year of the program, interns will receive a general survey of all aspects of multimedia, video production, and journalism. Students create 3 to 5 minute films and learn the basics of body language, camera shots, angles, and script writing. In the second semester, students research stories, conduct interviews, and prepare a complete story for airing on the news. This involves what most of our students have told us in the past was the most stressful thing they've ever done, picking up the phone and calling for interviews. Students then create a 5-minute newscast and produce it to their liking for the entire student body to watch.
As an intern, they will learn everything they need to know about multimedia communications, from editing to equipment to lighting and so much more. The lessons and concepts in our classes can be applied to many different careers, not just video or multimedia. The second and third years are when students dive into what it takes to be a part of a television industry. Strict deadlines and planning occurs every day in our newsroom. Each project requires a hard-working team. There are so many options and jobs for every person, whether it's on air or behind the scenes. These years are graded on what the students produces, just like a real job. So worksheets are never assigned. Students can also enroll in video production lab courses and multimedia communications complementary courses, which gives them additional time to work on assignments and projects and help train interns with the knowledge they've gained.
In the fourth year of our program, that's when students take on managerial roles and high-value projects and assignments. They manage employees, assignments, and tasks, along with participating in recruiting efforts and other large-scale projects. You can see all of our jobs at our company website, gvtv.org. Hover over the About Us link, join our company, and job opportunities. Once there, you can see jobs by department or by level, just like in the real world. Then, each job has a job description so everyone knows what to do. Our program emphasizes ethical and fair news coverage. In this new world in which we live, it's now more difficult than ever to determine if news is real or fake. We are real news with real information. GVTV News is by, for, and about Green Valley High School students. All the students, not just the students who are in our program, and not just the students who seem the most popular on campus. We want stories about all students. We operate just like a real television station to produce award-winning information and entertaining programming.
Our core values guide our coverage. First, the management of the program shall work with, encourage, and educate students of the program. Next, we will work hard, move fast, and achieve our goals in a responsible manner. Finally, we will act ethically in all we do as we keep in mind the reason we do what we do is for the viewers.
GVTV News covers breaking news events like the Route 91 shooting, natural disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, and we cover politics with a truly fair and balanced approach that students can understand.
During our time working in the TV industry, we've made friends with many talented storytellers, technical employees, sales executives, and business owners. Because of our professional connections, our students are frequently asked to cover stories for the Clark County School District. Those stories air on the district-owned PBS station, Channel 10. In the past, some of our students' work was proudly aired on KTMV Channel 13 and KSNV Channel 3.
In addition to those stories, students have their freedom to choose other stories that interest them and the students on our campus. They have to follow a criteria to determine if they are worthy of our coverage, but students are free to choose any topic and present it on our show. 3 of our departments here at GVTV include engineering, production, and information technology. Those students who are engineers are responsible for our equipment and ensuring it's working properly. We have thousands of dollars worth of equipment, and making sure it's tracked and maintained is an hourly assignment. Production is the department that's behind the scenes of every newscast. They're behind the camera right now. They push the buttons, point the cameras, control the audio, and create the graphics. The news department is responsible for covering events on this campus and off campus too. There are so many stories that affect our students on a daily basis. Our news department seeks out those stories and asks the tough questions to get answers.
The Creative Services Department is responsible for all things creative with ads, public service announcements, promotions, events, and so much more. For Green Valley, this department is responsible for huge projects such as the DUI reenactment that the Henderson Police Department hosts at Henderson High Schools, or as you may know it as, every 15 minutes. Green Valley has their every 15 on October 14th and 15th, and we stay until the project is complete. Between Mahood and I, we have been participating in every 15 minutes since 2001, when the program first launched in Henderson. Our creative services producers also work with the businesses that buy ad space on our scoreboard on the football field, which has been nicknamed Gatortron. We go out to the business's location and record a video of their space, get sound bites from the managers, and promote any sales or discounts going on during that time. The students take that footage and info and turn it into an ad for our scoreboard and newscast. We will also eventually be recreating our own sales entertainment show here on GVTV, like my former show, Las Vegas Morning Blend on Channel 13. We expect our students to always be on time for class and ready to work. We begin our mornings with a meeting between the Creative Services Department, the News Department, and Production Department. When your student is in level 2, 3, or advanced studies, they specialize in their specific job. But we also continue to cross-train, just like they do at the local TV stations. The company is involved in a lot on and off campus.
We know that not all students want to work in video or multimedia. For some, it's just not their thing. We know that. But as long as they are enrolled, they need to work diligently because the concepts they are learning, aside from video and multimedia, are workplace topics.
On your screen are some additional standards we are tasked with teaching, along with all the other standards of multimedia and video.
Students learn about technology through hands-on experiences with software and equipment used in the real world. From editing to creating sets, we believe in first-hand experiences, not textbook reading.
Students learn how to use social media effectively. Social media, love it or hate it, is here to stay. But using it responsibly is another story. Your students have the opportunity to run our company's social media accounts and post content that will drive viewers to their projects.
Finally, corporate culture is something that adults have a hard time navigating. Many jobs are part of a giant conglomerate. Your student will learn who is responsible for what in our company and will be better prepared for leadership roles in the future. In fact, Green Valley Television is actually part of a bigger conglomerate, Black Mountain Communications Company. This company combines the resources of GVTV with the resources of FST News at Foothill. Our programs work together to ensure coverage of our Henderson community.
With that, we thank you for spending a few minutes with us this evening.
If you have any questions or concerns, please email us. Our emails are now on the screen or available at the school's website, greenvalleyhs.org.
And check out our website, gvtv.org.
The same goes for our social media pages. Follow us on Insta, Facebook, and TikTok. We are at GVTV News. And on Twitter, we are at the GVTV News.
From all of us at GVTV News to you, thank you for joining us.
And have a great evening.